I got my laptop back and it's lift sword time. Here we are, my edition of Hotel Cornelius, and here we go to the first lift, which is some old-fashioned lifts. Now the lifts to all floors. These lifts are some more old-fashioned lifts. Now into the old-fashioned glass lifts that go up all the way up from 21 to 28. And you can guess what else these lifts have outside. They have Luigi doors. Look at that. Look at the Luigis. Oh yeah, you saw them. Okay, let's go back down. That's my audio. And now to the double lifts that go to basement, then stop at the ground floor, then all of the way up from 7 to 14. Eco this indicator, that's absolutely real. This button system on Alpha 10 is weird, and as you can see the basement button is hidden. But I clicked it from here and it still goes down to basement. Let's click the alarm.
We're sorry. Whenever you're a child, is not in service at this time. Beep beep.
Wait, am I getting the commands? Okay, no, I'm not. Pretty nice cap. OMG, it is getting sunset. And now to beliefs that go all the way up from 14 to 21, and these lists are OT Series 1 lists, and from 14 to 21 they have they have Princess Daisies on the doors. Pretty nice cap. Oh wait, these caps look like the ones on from the original one, but kind of refurbished to look really new. You can see the Princess Daisies on the doors. Oh yes, you can see them now. As you can see, you get your beautiful Princess Daisy. XD.
We're sorry. Whenever you're a child, is not in service at this time. Beep beep.
Now to the lifts that go up to floor 7, and the lift on the right, as you can see, it says a down lantern, and that's the only one of these sets of lifts that goes down to basement. And these lifts are some really nice Schindler MTs. But first, let's ride the lift that goes down to basement. They look like the original caps for Toss were refurbished. Pretty nice caps to say. Stupid audio corruptions. Oh wait, hold on a second. For the double lifts that go from this floor all the way up to 14, it has the fat version of Star Bro, which is Invincible Bro. and the lifts in here, the lifts they go until this floor that I am, which is 7. These are some invisible bros. Let's go back down. My audio. Now let's attempt the ones that go up. Now let's attempt the ones that don't go basement. Oh well, we'll attempt this one right here. Empty buttons are supposed to be red, not orange. Huh. Why do they make it look like that on Skyscraper C? Actually, empty buttons are red, not even orange. That audio is just actually my voice recording an alarm audio in Roblox. Nothing else to say here. OMG, now it is getting night. So that will be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and that's it.